Hey there Greymains, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Crimson Chaser male in Crimson Desert. Now before I begin, I would just like to warn you that you need to progress to chapter 8 of the Blood Coronation. And once you've reached this chapter, it should automatically unlock the Corrupted Greymane side quest over on the House Thorel category on the faction quests. It's right under the category, the Crimson Warden. Once you've unlocked that, then the next thing you're going to do is to go over the Demoness Wildlife Park. Go through the gate and keep going straight. And just about immediately after you hop down or get near the arena, then the boss fight will begin. Do be careful of this fight, because the enemy is very proficient with the bow, and you're going to have to dodge and weave to the best of your ability. Once you've defeated the boss, you will automatically get the Crimson Chaser male. The male stats is at defense of 14, movement speed of 1, and a refinement of level 4, with 3 slots to place down Abyssinians as well. And this is what the male would look like on a cliff. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Crimson Chaser male in Crimson Desert.